future ironer will be here. So we have 4 ironers.
Oh, so will be renovation lah.
Then we want to make a mezzanine to put the soil linen up, drop into the
Oh
machine.
ya, robot.
So no dirty linen
Ya,
to fall up.
ya.
Start again.
Oh,
It's
they have
three,
two. Second one, yeah,
Ah,
two.
50 kilo, 120 kilo.
Oh.
So 250 kilo, 2 times.
Oh. Oh, so one 125.
To squeeze 120.
Oh, 120.
20 is the water.
Okay.
So another load comes is 50 kilo.
50 kilo.
Because, per drop is 50 kilo. So you got 50 kilo and another 50 kilo, 100 kilo. This dryer is 120 kilo. But now it's going at one.
So you still use the old machine,
No,
right?
because for FMB and certain time not enough jump queue.
Oh.
You're washing blanket, but I want my bed sheet. We jump. We call it jump queue.
And then if there is a stain, how? You do stain
We wash
first?
because we wash. No,
In the-
cannot because they don't do sorting. By right, the hotel must separate for us. All got SOP. In a hotel SOP, I work in hotel before. You take that one and give it to
So all the wastewater will be
Down
going
here.
here
Then process.
and then process.
From here, number 2 go to number 3. Chemical treatment. We break up the chemical, goes here. We separate the chemical, the dirt will come down, the clean water will go up. They break up. Hour, 1.5 ton.
Every 50 minutes.
Every 2 minutes,
Every 2 minutes, 50 kilo.
50 kilo. 2 minutes, remove. 2 minutes, remove. 2 minutes, remove.
Oh.
So washing is still 6 minutes.
Washing 6 minutes.
Because you wash, it transfer, wash, it transfer, wash. That's how tunnel works.
Oh.
You want 20 minutes, we buy a longer one. But
Uh-huh.
2 minutes, I wash, transfer. Or you want to wash 1 minute, then even longer.
Okay.
But every 1 minute, 50 kilo or 60 kilo. The biggest, I think, they get 80 kilos. No bigger than that. So every 1 minute, what you want. So our system design, 50 kilo you saw. But 2 minutes you wash, it transfer.
6
You wash,
minutes.
it transfer. So
Was
6
6 minutes.
Lightweight.
And then dryer how many minutes?
By almost 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
So if other aircraft come in, international aircraft come in and they want to do the seat cover cleaning, they have to find someone who comply. So under MAS, we the only one to comply and all the aircraft will send to us. That's why we the airline. We the airline laundry. Masaero, Malaysian airline.